Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's becoming a hot topic in the crypto world, NC Wallet. If you've been looking for a secure, fast, and user-friendly crypto wallet that actually makes managing your coins simple, you're going to love this one. So stay tuned, because in this video we'll explore what NC Wallet is, how it works, its best features, and why it might just be one of the best wallets out there right now. So what exactly is NC Wallet? NC Wallet is a non-custodial multi-currency wallet designed to make crypto payments easy for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a professional trader. Non-custodial simply means you're in full control of your funds. No middlemen, no centralized servers holding your crypto. You own your private keys and your assets stay in your hands. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and many others, all inside one clean and modern interface. Now let's talk about the features that make NC Wallet stand out. First, it has zero commission on crypto transfers inside the NC ecosystem, which is great for anyone who sends or receives crypto regularly. Second, it supports instant transactions, so you don't have to wait endlessly for confirmations. Third, it's designed with security as a top priority. Your private keys are stored locally on your device, protected with biometric login, PIN codes, and advanced encryption. And if you're someone who loves convenience, you can also buy, exchange, and withdraw crypto directly from the app with a few simple taps. And because the wallet is fully decentralized, you don't need to trust anyone else, you only trust yourself and your recovery phrase. The user interface is another major plus. Everything feels smooth, simple, and intuitive. You don't need to be a blockchain expert to use it. Whether you're paying online, transferring to friends, or holding long-term assets, North Carolina Wallet gives you the flexibility and control you need. Plus, it's available on both mobile and desktop, syncing across devices seamlessly. So, to wrap things up, NC Wallet is not just another crypto wallet. It's a modern, secure, and easy-to-use platform built for the next generation of digital finance. If you want full control over your crypto with zero hidden fees and maximum security, North Carolina Wallet is definitely worth checking out. Earn crypto with one tap. Robux is a free ticket to the world of cryptocurrency for everyone. Earn ROX tokens just by using the app, collect them, move them to your wallet, and climb the ranks.